And here I am, beautiful evening. Look at that, absolutely stunning. A beautiful feast for a saddleback boar. Good lad, good lad, good lad. He's a cracker, he's in cracking nick. Produced some young uns. He lives on a healthy diet. And over here, I've got the geese coming in, being brought in. And they're going to bring them into this place here, where they're kept at night. Got fresh water for them. We've got the corn. They love the courgettes. We dug the pond out. Come up! Come up! Absolutely beautiful tonight. Come on! These will be producing eggs and young for next year. And been on a bumper this year. They've been making really good prices for young ones. Come up! Come up! Come up! Come on! Come on! When they're eating, it sounds like Michael Caine in Zulus. Great sight. Safe from foxes in here, they can't get in.
Most expensive geese in UK than Toulouse.
Toulouse geese, yeah. Well, they'll be having young next year. You keep the grass down. Table bird for Christmas. Eggs and everything been a premium this year. So it is a cash crop. On the collie, she works the geese well.